Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable or disable keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So all you have to do is simply go to settings, scroll down a little, go to sounds and vibration, and here you want to go into system sound. And as you can see here we have everything disabled and we have our Samsung keyboard right here. We can enable it or disable it back. That's just case of your preference. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.